Looking for a less common curry for your Ona Sadya? Try this Pacha Theeyal, a simple coconut-based curry that can even take the place of koottucurry. Start with 1 cup of grated coconut, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon chili powder, quarter teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin seeds, and 2 shallots. Grind everything into a fine paste. Now take half a cup of shallots, 1 cup of lady's finger cut into 1-inch pieces, 2 slit green chilies, 3 teaspoons of tamarind water, and salt to taste. Cook the vegetables. Then add the coconut paste and cook for 5 minutes. For the seasoning, heat 1 teaspoon of coconut oil and splutter quarter teaspoon mustard seeds and quarter teaspoon fenugreek seeds. Add 2 sprigs of curry leaves and 3 sliced shallots. Saute until the shallots turn golden. Pour the seasoning over the Theeyal and your Pacha Theeyal is ready for the Sadya. Serve it with hot rice just like you would with the koottucurry.